Google has launched yet another new model, and this time it is the fastest of them all, Gemini 3 Flash. And they have done some serious upgradations from Gemini 2.5 Flash, and I really like the benchmark because this model comes super close in some benchmarks to Gemini 3 Pro. So here I am in the official blog of Gemini 3 Flash, and let me directly take you to the benchmarks. And I always like Gemini's API cost. Okay, it's very less when compared to all the other companies. Okay, so the cost is going to be only 0.5 cent for input per million tokens and $3 per million tokens. So this is almost 4 times cheaper than Gemini 3 Pro. So this is comparison with Gemini 3 Flash thinking. And in humanities last exam, Gemini 3 Flash thinking has 43%, the Pro has 45%. So very close. And in ARC AGI it has about 33%, and it is greater than Gemini 3 Pro. The highest one is going to be GPT 5.2 at 52%. And in scientific knowledge it comes around 90%, 3 Pro comes around 91%, GPT 5 is the benchmark leader, and in AIME math it comes around 99.7% and 95% with no tools, extremely close to Gemini 3 Pro. And in multimodal understanding it comes 81.2%, and it's the flagship model. None of them even come close to it. That's really crazy, to be honest, because this model is 4 times cheaper than Gemini 3 Pro and it's better than it. And same case applies to all the other models also. And in Screenshot Pro it's around 69%, 72% for 3 Pro, 86%, 5.2 is the benchmark. And SW bench verified it comes 78%, and 3 Pro comes 76%. So it's greater than over here. And in vending bench a big difference, it comes $3,000, here it's $5,000. So overall, when you compare the majority of the differences between Gemini 3 Flash and Gemini 3 Pro, I guess it's a really best value that you are getting over here, because in many cases it's on par with 3 Pro, even in some cases it's better. So very few benchmarks it goes like the difference is very much, but the fact is it's a 4 times cheaper model. Like imagine getting a model 4 times cheaper and having these kinds of benchmarks. So that's really crazy. And not to forget that this is a highly fast response giving model, so that also comes with it. So basically this is a chart that gives performance versus cost and speed. As you can see here, 3 Pro, Gemini 3 Flash comes over here, and Grok 4.1 thinking is over here. So only these 3 models are in the top point of this chart. Also, we cannot forget to compare the previous model of Flash, 2.5 Flash. So previously it's around 0.3 and 2.5, not a big difference at all when compared to the benchmark stats. And humanities last exam, this is at 11%, 3 times improvement over here. In ARC AGI 2, Gemini 2.5 Flash is 2.5%, and this is 33%. That's almost more than 10 times. And in scientific knowledge 82, here we are having 90. AIME almost 100%, here it's 75%. Multimodal reasoning comes at 81, here it is 66%. Screenshot we are having 69%, and this is in 3.9%. So that's like a crazy jump over here. And in vending bench, $3,000, right, it comes around $549, 6 times increase over there. So when compared to 2.5 Flash and 3 Flash, it's like day and night, because here for just an increase in 0.2 per million tokens of input and $0.5 per million of output tokens, you are getting almost like 5 to 10x of the existing Flash models performance. So in my case, Google have done a terrific job. And in case if you are using 2.5 Flash for your existing projects and stuff, I would recommend you to like upgrade it, because it's really such a great value buy. And another improvement that they have done is, in case if you are using the 2.5 Pro, the 3 Flash model is 3 times faster than it. And here we are having an comparison between 3 Flash and 2.5 Pro. Note that this is not 2.5 Flash, and just look at the speed here. It's almost coming in 20 seconds and it's 45, 47, 50. So super fast. So in case if you're using 2.5 Pro and if you want much more a faster one, 3 Flash is right here for you. And next is the availability of this model. It is rolling out for everyone. Here we can read Gemini 3 Flash is now the default model in Gemini app, replacing 2.5 Flash, and all the users will get access. And it is also available right now in Google AI Studio. Here you can see Gemini 3 Flash preview. If you want to change the parameters and stuff, you can just try it out. So in my opinion, that's a crazy upgrade from 2.5 Flash, and I really like how close it comes to the benchmarks in Gemini 3 Pro. Do let me know your comments, what you think about it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.